Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. And do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the chart of Euro USD. And as you can see, I'm in my favorite 4 hours time frame. So this is the 4 hours chart of Euro USD. So at first, let's do the analysis. And if you have watched my previous video on Euro USD, then you know this setup pretty well. Okay. Anyways, after zooming out the chart, or if I zoom out the chart, you can just see that market is still in uptrend. Yes, right now there is a tendency towards the downside. Okay, right now market is kind of going towards the downside, but still overall trend is intact. Market is still in uptrend. Though there was some volatility during the previous week or past week, but still we cannot consider those volatility as a trend reversal. Rather the uptrend is still intact. Overall market is still in uptrend. Okay, and therefore our duty is mainly to look for buying opportunity, because see, as we all know, the thumb rule of trading says always stay with the trend, always try to follow the trend and never go against the trend. Okay, so if we consider the overall trend, then we should consider buying opportunities only. Okay, and the second point is we should always find out the area of value. Area of value means the best trading possibility or the best trading spot. Okay, in an uptrend market, the best trading spot is always near the support, whereas in the downtrend market, the best trading opportunity to short the market is always near the resistance. Okay, so these are the thumb rules. But right now, things have changed a little bit for Euro USD that I would like to discuss. See, one thing is very clear to us, okay, that this black line, is a good resistance for us, because I have already discussed about this black line or this resistance 1.2233, because see, this resistance is very important to the market, because this resistance level belongs to the weekly chart. Okay. This level belongs to the weekly chart. Therefore, mm, this is our first trading opportunity here. Okay, considering the present position of the price, this is our best trading opportunity. Because see, if I take you to a weekly chart, okay, this is a weekly chart of Euro USD, we can see that you can see that market tried to go up on the third week of Feb. Price failed to sustain above. Price came down and market formed a shooting star kind of a pattern. And right now market is struggling at the price level only. We can see that for the past 4 weeks, for past 1 month, market is trying to cross the resistance. Yes, there are many movements. There are many movements on the 4 hours time frame, 1 hour time frame. But in the weekly time frame, if you can see, then we can clearly see that previous week market formed a spinning top. Before that also market formed a spinning top, which means that market is struggling. There is no decision in the market, and this week also market has formed a doji kind of a pattern, and we all know that spinning top or a doji kind of a pattern generally suggests that there is an indecision going on in the market. Okay, and apart from that we do not have much here. Okay, so this level is extremely important that we need to keep our eyes on. And after that, let me take you to the currency meter once. So this is the currency strike meter, and you can see that this is a daily meter. Okay, so in the daily meter you can see that euro is the strength of euro is 5, whereas the strength of USD is 5.3. So USD is kind of stronger. Okay, little bit, but it's still stronger. Okay. And as I have already discussed in my previous videos, that whenever we get a scenario like this, then there is a possibility that market will remain sideways. Okay, when we get a trending market, okay, we get a trending market when we get a scenario like this, CHF and NZD. Okay, when one currency is strong and other currency is weak, then we get a trending market. But when we get a scenario like this, the possibility is that market will remain sideways. Okay, and if we look at the stochastic RSI also, the stochastic RSI is also indicating that Euro USD has almost reached the oversold zone. Okay, so this is the overall analysis of Euro USD chart. So now let's discuss the strategy. So the first and foremost strategy is this level. Okay, this level. This is our first level. Okay, 1.2233 level. So considering the present position of the market, if market goes up from here, okay, then you need to observe how the price reacts once it reaches this level. If you see that price struggles, or if you see that price is struggling near the resistance, price is unable to cross the level, then you can short the market. Yes, overall the trend is towards the upside, but if you just consider this particular portion, okay, if I tell you forget about the upside, forget about the uptrend, just focus on this particular portion. What do you see? Do you still think that market is in uptrend? No. Right now market is in a range, market is in sideways. Therefore in sideways market we get opportunities at the above or at the bottom also. Okay, we get to short the market at the resistance, and we also get to go long or buy at this support. Therefore if market hit this resistance level, then you can short the market if price reverses. On the other hand, if market crosses this level, okay, if market crosses this level 1.2233 level, then that's a completely different chapter. Okay, then you'll have to wait for a couple of hours, 4 to 6 hours, and just you need to observe the price, try to understand the market psychology. If you see that after 4 to 6 hours market has successfully crossed this level, okay, then this will be our new area of value, because our resistance has become the support now. Okay, and you can go for buy order. So this is our first trading opportunity, and this for the second trading opportunity you can see that I have drawn two lines here, and market is kind of following a channel. Okay, so for this, okay, if you want to short the market here at this present position, then you are free to short the market. You are free to short the market, but personally I will not short the market, because currency strength meter is not in support, and overall and stochastic RSI is also not giving me a clear signal. But if you want to take some risk, then you can easily take the risk. Just keep in mind that your stop loss, okay, your stop loss will be above this red line, okay, above this level. Okay. So if you want to take the risk, you can take the risk, because see, if I zoom in, okay, if I zoom in, then I can see that the price has not reversed the way it should reverse. Okay, this means that there is some strength still present in the market. Okay, there is still strength present in the market, and bulls are still present in the market, and still they are trying to take the price upward. Just look at the present candle. Okay, just now we saw the market form a candle like this, and right now we are seeing a spinning top kind of a pattern, which means that bulls are still present in the market. And the currency meter is also telling us the same thing. Euro is equally strong in comparison to USD. Therefore I will not short the market. But if you have already short the market, then be on the trade. Or if you want to short the market, take some risk, okay, then it's totally up to you. You can short the market. Just keep in mind, just keep your stop loss tight above this level, and the decision is yours. Otherwise this level is also very good for me, or looks very good to me, because see, market is following this trend line, and whenever market is witnessing, or market has witnessed big sell off or big selling pressure, this level provided the support. Therefore there is a good possibility that if market comes down to this particular support level, market will get the support and market will bounce. Okay, so I'll wait for this particular level and this level. Okay, and if you want to trade in this level, then you are free to trade. Okay, it totally depends on you. Okay, and considering the overall pattern here, it looks like a flag pattern. Okay, and you all know it pretty well that flag pattern is a bullish pattern. So there is a possibility that market will also break out. Okay, in case market gives you a breakout, do not buy. Just look at the candle yesterday, it was a fake out. Okay, so do not go for breakout and all. Okay, just wait for the opportunities that I told you, and if you want to take risk on your own, it's up to you.